Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the List of Feelings template. What is a List of Feelings template? Understanding your emotions and engaging in open discussions about them is an invaluable component of fostering emotional health and resilience. A List of Feelings template can be immensely valuable when it comes to identifying and expressing emotions. Having a feelings list can facilitate effective emotional expression and help foster healthier relationships and overall well-being. There are many different emotions that people experience, both positive and negative. A list of feelings is a collection of words that describe different emotional states. It can help you understand your emotions, build empathy for others, and cope with difficult feelings. This is particularly useful for those who find expressing emotions to be a challenge. When you're feeling overwhelmed by difficult emotions, a list of feelings can help you break them down into smaller, more manageable pieces for better coping. As a result, it is commonly used by therapists and psychologists. How to use a list of feelings template. The first step is to start with the negative emotions, reading and identifying the relevant ones that apply to you. You'll then need to assess the positive emotions. Finally, examine the body sensations for a comprehensive awareness of your overall feelings. To view a sample template of the list of feelings, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the list for free. You can also access the list through the Carepatron community platform. All you have to do is type in the keyword, click on the note, and then edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare related videos.